In the course of his wandering days, Vivekananda reached Kanyakumari, India's southernmost point. At the seashore, an inner urge prompted him to swim out into the ocean and meditate upon a huge rock at the confluence of the three seas. In meditation, he transformed into a condensed India. He confronted both the glory of India's past and its grim present state. The way to India's regeneration flashed before his prophetic soul with stunning brilliance. One day, while meditating on the rock, Vivekananda had a vision of his guru Sri Ramakrishna walking over the sea, beckoning him to travel to the west and deliver the message of India's glorious past and its spiritual wisdom. Vivekananda journeyed from Kanyakumari to Madras, driven by a vision to uplift India's masses, free them from superstition, and restore faith. Supported by funds from disciples, he embarked on his historic voyage to America on the 31st of May 1893 as Swami Vivekananda, a name conferred for the first time by the Maharaja of Khetri. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he was to represent the Hindu faith, delivering its profound message. After reaching Vancouver, he headed to Chicago only to find the Parliament was 2 months away. Financial constraints led him to Boston, an affordable city where he resided for a while.